Hey guys, it's Mr. Bison, and of course today is results day. And if you're watching this video, then I'm guessing you've already received your results. And I really hope that you've got the grades that you need for whatever next steps you might be taking, whether that's university, an apprenticeship, or something different altogether. And I like to do this video just to kind of offer up the opportunity, if you want to share how you're feeling about your results, whether you got the grades that you wanted. And you can do so if you want to in a comment in this video. But perhaps you might like to contact me more privately to let me know how things have gone. And if you want to, my email address is linked in the description of this video. And I will do my best over the next few days to contact everybody who comments and emails me, because really it's such a privilege that I get to do this as my job. And I guess that leads me to kind of the next part of just really to thank everybody for supporting me on this channel, whether that's watching my videos, my live streams, being a member of my channel, coming to any of my paid for sessions. It really is a dream job. I know I say that all the time, but I sort of pinch myself every day that I get to do this for my work. So thank you so much for supporting me on this channel. And I suppose the last thing is really a goodbye. I don't imagine you're going to need many more videos on differentiation and integration, but if you do, you know where to find me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Wishing you the most fun day of celebrations with your family and friends. And hopefully I'll catch you in another video or a live stream sometime soon. Bye guys.